Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Fan Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a long wheelbase transporter panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a 70 plate and it's an approved vehicle that has been through the 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a quick walk around the van. To the front of the van, you will notice it's fitted with halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. You'll also notice two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. The van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van, you will notice that this van is fitted with alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. They're also 16-inch. Moving up, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. Stepping away from the van, you will also notice that it's fitted with a near side sliding door. I've now opened the manual sliding door so you can see the load area. To the back of the front seats, you will notice a bulkhead. It's also fully wood ply-lined to help protect the panel work from any damage. Now we're at the back of the van. You will notice it's fitted with a tailgate without window. Moving down to the lower part of the bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. This is ideal for when you're trying to park the vehicle up in tight spaces. It's also fitted with LED tail lights. I've now opened the manual tailgate so you can see inside the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space at the back of the van. You'll also notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing your loads whilst in transit. This van is painted in Ravenna blue. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both doors are fitted with some handy storage. Across the dash, you'll notice cup holders and some handy storage in the centre of the dash. Moving to the back of the cab, here we have the bulkhead, which I mentioned earlier. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. Also, the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls in the cab and also the centre media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This van is also fitted with automatic headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice media controls. On this side, you'll notice cruise control. This van has covered 15,524 miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice it's fitted with a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is located here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which are located here. This van is also fitted with App Connect. This allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps, e.g. music or maps. I'm just going to pop the vehicle into reverse so you can see the park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will help assist you when parking the vehicle up. Moving away from the centre screen, you'll notice that this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. This fan is fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this is a 5-speed manual van. Now for a quick recap. This is a Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a long wheelbase. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more detailed and personal video around the van. And thank you for watching.